All right, hi everybody. So we've been talking about bare bone sentences, right? The very bare basic parts, the skeleton that you need to have a complete sentence. And if you take a look with our frame so far, we know that we have the predicate tells us the action of the subject. And we start with our uppercase and end with our stop sign. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about how sometimes, just like we can have more than one subject, we can also have more than one predicate. We can have a compound predicate. So take a look at this picture right here. And what might you use as the subject? I'm going to go ahead and do my subject line. Yeah, you could say boy, or you could name him. Sure, let's go ahead and name him Jake. So I'll do my uppercase J. And then for our bare bones sentence, we need our predicate. And then we're going to do a connector, and we're going to give another predicate. Okay, so look closely at that picture. What could the actions be? What physical actions come to mind that Jake is doing? Yeah, if he's got the kite, is he running? And look at his face. He's smiling. Good. What if let's go with that. So let me zoom in a little bit. We've got Jake is running. Here's our connector since we're doing two things, and smiling. So that gives us a bare bone sentence. We put the connector between the two subjects, the two predicates, and we have a compound predicate. Let's do it another way. What was another thing in the photo? Another subject instead of Jake, it could be the kite. So I'm going to frame out that sentence. I'm going to write the kite, and let's do two predicates with connector. My marker's dying again. Okay, we've got our four mountains and we've got our connector. What could the action of the kite be? Maybe it glides. Oh, and sometimes when you're flying a kite, it dips down. Okay, the kite glides and our connector dips and our stop sign at the end. So these are using connectors to have a compound predicate. Practice looking at the pictures and coming up with two predicates, two actions that you see. Remember, they can be physical actions or mental.